Morning everyone. So welcome all to the summer camp. Today we are going to start with our summer camp, and now I will hand over the mic to Principal Ma'am for the further inauguration and other things. Please, ma'am. So it's very wonderful to see happy, exciting faces. That excites us too. And the weather is also in the favor of DPS Jammu and the children. So I'm sure everything is signaling to a very fun-filled, happy, exciting learning experience for the coming 9 days. Wishing you all the best and happy summer camp activities. Ma'am, to kindly please share your...
I'm so happy to see colorful and exciting faces ready to attend wonderful activities that we planned for the day. I wish you all the best for the coming 9 days. Make the best out of it. Learn all the activities teachers have planned. Wonderful activities for you, wonderful plan for you. Make best out of it and enjoy. Have a wonderful, wonderful summer camp. Thank you very much.
Pankaj ma'am, please bring the things. We are going to inaugurate the function. Principal ma'am, HM ma'am, please come for the inauguration.